Jonathan. So Jonathan, besides snatching hand phone, what do you do in Singapore? A lot of what? Stuff. Okay, so you also steal a lot of other stuff. Okay? So please be careful with your stuff. Is it stop or stop?
Yes, sir.
Don't say actually, try accidentally that so that it will happen to you. Okay. So Jonathan here, this is Ty from Malaysia. Okay. Very nice that we two go together, you know? Yeah. If you give him a blowjob, you don't need to kneel down. You just go like that. How young are you, Jonathan? 30? 30 years old, but your height then in primary 2, huh? Why like that? Is it hereditary? Or did someone curse you? Oh, you left it in the Philippines. Okay, he's also in drugs, okay? See, people, drugs are very prevalent nowadays. So we're going to see birthdays. Sisi, do I look like a murderer? But no! I'm thinking actually, unlike a murderer, a lot of gay guys in Singapore like murderer. Yeah, very macho, and you see the backside go. Lion of mermaid. So ready? We're going to sing birthday song, okay? Including you, ha? Later we go, I send you to school, okay? You be a good boy, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Well, ladies and gentlemen, happy birthday. And all the birthday celebrants for you, raise your hand. Come on, for the birthday celebrants. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for all our birthday celebrants. Let's wish them well, because this may be the last. Life is like that, we can never tell. So, and in Philippines, he is very popular. Huh? My name? I don't want. You know, my name is Gino. He's so cute. Okay, this is the best boyfriend to get. Girls, if you want to go for boyfriend, go for like this. After you have sex, you can put in the cabinet, okay? And then you want to go to overseas, you want to save money, okay? No need to buy ticket, okay? You just put in your luggage, can fit, huh? So anyway, thank you very much. But I'm sure you're having a difficult time in Singapore. Can you wash dishes in Singapore? Huh? Can wash dishes? Can reach? Oh, okay, huh? But anyway, thank you very much, Jonathan. And for kiss. Wait. Just a simple kiss. Take out your tongue and I'll suck on it. I know what you eat just now. Did you eat shit?